Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about SAP ABAP Objects. So an object is a special kind of variable that has distinct characters and behaviors. And the characteristics or attributes of an object are used to describe the state of an object. And behaviors or methods represent the actions performed by an object. An object is an pattern or an instance of a class, and it represents a real-world entity such as a person or a programming entity like variables and constants. For example, accounts and students are examples of real-world entities, but hardware and software components of a computer are examples of programming entities. An object has three main characteristics: has a state, has a unique identity, and may or may not display the behavior. The state of an object can be described as a set of attributes and their values. For example, a bank account has a set of attributes such as account number, name, account type, balance, and values of all these attributes. The behavior of an object refers to the changes that occur in its attributes over a period of time. And each object has a unique identity that can be used to distinguish it from other objects. And two objects may exhibit the same behavior and they may or may not have the same state, but they never have the same identity. Two persons may have the same name, age, and gender, but they are not identical. Similarly, the identity of an object will never change throughout its lifetime. Objects can interact with one another by sending messages, and objects contain data and code to manipulate the data. An object can also be used as a user-defined data type with the help of a class. Objects are also called variables of the type class, and after defining a class, you can create any number of objects belonging to that class. Each object is associated with the data type, the type class with which it has been created. Creating an object. So the object creation usually includes the steps: creating a reference variable with reference to the class, data, object name, type ref to class name, creating an object from the reference variable, create object, object name. So example report is a demo object, class 1 definition, public section, data, text 1, 45 value, above objects, methods, display 1, end class, class 1 implementation, method display 1, right, this is the display method, end method, end class. Start of selection, data, class 1, type ref to class 1, create object, class 1, write class 1 hyphen text 1, call method class 1 hyphen display 1. So the code produces the output ABAP objects. This is the display method. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP Objects. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.